A critical shortage of blood supplies has forced hospitals nationwide to raise red alerts at the start of the new year. Mobile Journal, Jas Paredes reports.
Hospitals across the country have raised red alerts after declaring an emergency blood crisis due to critically low blood supplies. On January 3, 2026, red lights were switched on at the facade of Tower 1 at Makati Medical Center, signaling an urgent need for blood donors.
We get an average of 20 to 25 blood requests per day. That's for our 600-bed capacity hospital. And not to mention emergency cases, unexpected emergency cases coming in from the ER who will need blood. But on average, we only get 3 or basically 0 to 5 walk-in donors daily.
This is not the first time the hospital has activated its red lights.
Actually, parang third switching on na namin to. That will re-emphasize the need, no? That there's a constant need, no? Yung one-time appeal mo and their one-time donation will only be good for a certain period, no?
On January 4, Asian Hospital and Medical Center also announced that it is under an emergency blood crisis.
Currently, we're trying to make use po of at least 10 stocks of pack RBC, which is particularly blood type O and blood type A. So for us to maintain yung day-to-day operations for emergency surgeries and yung mga other important blood transfusion, at least the stock should be at least more than 10 units.
Both alerts were issued during the first week of the new year, an alarming way to start 2026, as blood supply levels have reached a critical point. The institutions say the holiday season greatly affected blood donations.
Malamig ngayon sa atin, so there are people who have respiratory illness, may mga seasonal flu, and of course, for us to be blood donors, kasi we have to be of optimum health, wala po tayong mga sakit, lagnat, ubo, sipon. Also, on top of that, blood drives po are not really participated during the holidays kasi masyado tayong aligaga sa family, occasion, shopping. So there are fewer blood drives in between the holidays.
An influx of patients is also expected after the holidays, further increasing demand.
So after the holidays, kasi there are patients who would postpone their, for example, their surgery or their treatment. So they come after the holidays. So in anticipation of the influx of patients from the holiday season, so nag-increase yung demand. So actually yon, yung sinabi ko kanina ng 20 to 25 requests for blood on a regular basis, actually this week, nag-hike to 30 to 35.
Hospitals stress that maintaining adequate blood supply at the start of the year is crucial. All blood types are urgently needed, and one blood donation could save up to 3 lives. Interested donors may visit the blood banks of Makati Medical Center and Asian Hospital and Medical Center, open Monday to Sunday. Hotlines are also available for inquiries and scheduling. Donors may also visit the nearest blood bank in their area to donate. Kapatid, Jas Paredes, we are One News.